Randy here, working it back out in the shed here again today on the electrical project, and I stopped by the hardware store and got the last, hopefully a few pieces we need here to finish this project here. Well, actually not, I was just checking here and I don't actually have any light fixtures, so I'm going to have to stop by the hardware store one more time yet and get some actual light fixtures for this. Oh well, thought I had some. I don't, apparently. Actually, I think I do. I just maybe have to look some more. But anyway, for the box oven, I've got a box here that has 2 holes on top. So again, we can run 1 in for power and 1 back out for the lights. The ones I have at the moment, I got mostly just this style box oven, just 1 in the bottom, 1 in the top, and 1 out the back. This one here, oh, it does have the 1 out the back here too. So, and then of course for our light base oven, just so like what, 5? Yeah, like 5 holes in those. So lots of holes to choose from. So we'll probably just run that Liquid-Type back up and over. And I think I was looking at this one and then the one back there for putting the light. We're just going to do regular hanging light bulbs. I figured I would. Yeah, probably need to be a little bit careful. I might see if I can maybe actually recess them up a little bit, just so a little bit less chance of them getting hit here. Because again, the ceiling in the shed is not particularly tall. And I figure right about here, some of them will put the switch in. Now, I made this exciting for myself, because I've already got wire running through this conduit. To be honest, I probably should have just stopped yesterday when I got this conduit ran and not gone any further, because now I'm going to have to try to carefully cut this conduit without cutting the wire inside of it, which, I guess if we do cut the wire, not the end of the world, run new wire, but it would just kind of suck if we ended up doing that. So we're going to try not to cut that, and I'm going to carefully cut that here in a minute. I figure we're just gonna, I'm not even gonna bother measuring this. Probably, actually, you know what? Looks like good height right there. We're probably just gonna go with that. Just whatever nice coming in the shed here. Light switch height. Yeah, somewhere right in there I think will be pretty good. Okay, that actually went easier than I thought it would have. No problems. Cut right through it with the knife and didn't cut the wires, by the way. You can see. Nope. Didn't even nick them. Look pretty good. Ooh, careful. Better put the knife away before I do. Okay, and then I'll probably, actually, you know what? Yeah, I probably should take that outlet back out of it. If you remember back when I did this oven, I put a bunch of extra wire down in there, so I'm going to pull that outlet out so I can pull this extra wire back up here, and then I'm going to run from the outlet, because that's GSI protected, back up to the switch here. Okay, just a quick update on it. I've got the new box in. Again, the new box has the 2 holes on the top, just 1 on the bottom. I figured I didn't need another hole on the bottom, I hope anyway. Then I've got that reconnect on the bottom, running down to the original box where the outlet is. I've also ran new wires, so we've got, if you look inside the box, you can see the wires that were in there running straight through down to the outlet, and then I ran another set of wires from here down to the outlet as well. So there's a total of 6 wires inside that conduit now. I'm not sure how full that actually looks like. There's plenty of space in there. Yeah, we could probably run another 3. It's half-inch conduit. So we're gonna get this connected to the load side here of the GFCI switch. And then speaking of switch, by the way, we'll put a switch inside of there, and then I'll figure out how to get from here. Actually, that should be pretty simple. Just run Liquid-Type up around, probably right there, right to that one, and then to wherever I'm going to put my bulb. So somewhere in there. I haven't quite figured that part out. We'll get to that when we get to that. just an update of it. I've got one box, although I guess this really isn't a box, more of a round. And anyway, I've got one box mounted here for light with the liquid-tight conduit ran all the way down to the switch now. Now we're going to run our fish tape down through the conduit and pull a wire back. This should go fairly easily, I would think. We do have a pretty good bend in it right there. That might make things interesting. Oh yeah, I can feel a little bit of resistance on it there. Oh, it's going pretty good though. Oh yeah, must be to the second bend. You feel a little more resistance. Every time you hit a bend, everyone, that's usually where you get your resistance there. Wait for it to come out. There it is. Yep, got it. Okay, got that all taped up with my beautiful purple tape. Let's see what we can do about pulling that through here. Like I said, it shouldn't go too badly here, hopefully. Yeah, too badly. He says that I can't even get it in the... Really? Come on now. Oh, my goodness. And it gets stuck right there. It'll probably get stuck one more time going into the conduit, I bet, too. Yeah, that's what I figured. And we just got to give it a little helping hand up in there. Then we should be good from here on out, hopefully. Maybe. Oh, my goodness. This is going to pull hard, apparently. I thought this was going to be an easy one. That's going. Didn't think it would go this hard, though. No. Okay. Are we right at the end here, maybe? No. Okay. We are... Oh. That's why we're stuck. I need more black wire. Yeah, my roll of black wire, in case you can't tell, is not in good shape. Not in good shape. I'm not too happy about that. I bought these rolls used. Although, well, I say used. They look like they're brand new. I'm not sure. They weren't a full roll. Put that back on there. And that's the way that black one came. Okay, I'm going to have to put the phone down a minute. I don't know what we're stuck on here. I'm going to have to give this a good yank a minute. Well, I don't know if it'll focus. Oh, maybe it will there. Yeah, in case you can't tell, I gave it a good yank, Evan. I did not tape that on there as well as I did something. I figured this would be an easy pull. Oh, no, of course not. The one pull, Evan, that's like not going to go easy, and it pulls out. Okay. Well, at least it's an easy one. We'll just back the wire back down. I'll put the fish tape back down it, and we'll try again. Okay, attempt number 2. Got it taped back up again. I didn't tape it up much better this time. You think I'd probably learn, but the heck with that. Yeah, we're going to get stuck there again. I figured as much. Just get that up in there. I did tape it up a little bit. Last time around, I had a little bit of a ball of tape at the end. So I taped it up better than I did last time. Wow, this is pulling hard. A lot harder than I thought it would, given what we're doing here. Maybe I should have taped this up better. This might be a third time yet. I went... Oh, what's going on here? You, get out of there. Probably should just let that switch off there, maybe. Okay, make sure our wire's nice and free. For the most part, it is. That black wire, oh my goodness. I should have done something about that. It's been fine up until this point, Evan, but I guess not anymore. Oh boy. Yeah, we are. I think we're going around that bend there. Okay, I'm gonna need both hands again, everyone. Okay, the second time was the charm. Again, it pulled a little bit hard. I don't know why. I didn't think that would pull that hard, but I'm guessing maybe that loop and then curving up there must not have liked that. Now, we got one more run of wire to do. I just finished putting this up, and yes, Evan, this is a nice custom. You like that? Plastic bend I did there. I just took the heat gun to that, and I think I did a pretty good job. The only one that didn't turn out real well, you can see I got a little bit of a kink on that one, but oh well. That I think it looks pretty good. I got the second box mounted there, so we're going to go ahead and run the wire. We'll get these wires connected up. Again, I don't have the fixtures for these, Evan. I will take care of that off camera. That's nothing too exciting there, but we'll get the wires ran here, and then we're almost done, I think. Okay, that went nice and easy. Was able to push the wire through, no problem. I was wondering if these bends would give me any trouble. Not at all. I would push through very easy. And then I've got some waggles up here, connected everything together. I've just got the two ends here. I just stuck some waggles on the end here just so they're not open. So when I do get the light fixtures, I can just put these right on the light fixtures. Again, most of them usually just have the screw-on terminals. Usually no grounds on those either, so I've got the grounds here. If I have to have, and I can switch that out to a 5-way connector, but I don't think we'll need to do that. And then same thing over on this end of one, which actually reminds me, this one here I could probably, there it is, a ground screw up in there. I'll probably actually just put this green wire right to that ground screw. But for now, I just got it capped off. That should be good. And over on the switch side, I got the switch side all wired up here as well. Again, I'm not a big fan of putting stranded wire under these style switches. I really should have gotten one of the more, one of those like the industrial style switches. They have more of the clamp style on them, but I don't have any of those at the moment. We'll see once, maybe if I stop by, I guess I got to stop by the hardware store to get more light fixtures. So maybe I'll switch out this switch then at that time as well. Like I said, I don't particularly like doing that. That's all I have here at the moment. So we'll get this all tucked back in the box, close that up, and then we should be, like I said, with the exception of having to put the light switches up there, we'll be done. Well, I can't test the lights yet, but I can at least test our cat cam here. Got that plugged into the new outlet here, and judging by the green light on it, yep, I would say that is working. And after a year and a half of having this extension cord ran all the way around to the garage here, I finally got it plugged into another extension cord, which is plugged into that outlet there. Of course, once we get the cat house moved from here up onto there, we'll take care of that problem there as well. But, you know, one thing at a time. Anyway, that is going to do it for this video of one. Yes, feels good being able to get rid of that extension cord at least, and then hopefully very shortly we'll get rid of that one there as well, and we'll finish this structure up. I don't know if that'll be the next video or not of one, but, yep, we'll be working on that one here shortly, hopefully. Get that deck on there finished up and the cat house moved up on top of there. So that, you folks have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them down below, and till next time, everyone.